Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing fantastic. I'm also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today, this is another sunny day. The sun is shining brightly in the sky. And this is a really amusing place. This beautiful place and charming place also. You can see behind me and around me, there's a lot of bamboos. This is bamboos garden. I love this kind of place, before I told you, I love really this kind of place. I spend my free time to see such kind of place. And this is really amusing to see at the view. The scenery is very charming and the weather is really fantastic. And the bird is chirping around me. Countryside is famous for bird chirping. You can see many birds here, especially the shalik, the heron, the parrot, the dove. You can see many birds in the countryside. But in the town, you can see a little amount of bird because there a little amount of bird. And I'm making this video only for educational purpose. Sometimes I make this video only for my speaking purpose. I'm listening, I'm learning something and also be teaching something. I'm teacher as well as the learner. Teaching is one kind of learning. You can teach and at the same time you can learn. This is the learning process. Most of the teachers learn from when they teach. When they realize that I have a lack in this chapter, I have lack this lesson, that's why I should memorize or I should learn something new from this chapter or from this book. That's why they learn many things. And learning a language is not a piece of cake. Many learners sometimes tell it is very easy. No, brother, it is not very easy. If it is easy for those guys who are staying in abroad, who are staying in the native country, that's why they feel it is easy because they speak all the time to the native speaker or speaking English all the time. But feel that if you stay in the village side, if you stay in the countryside, and most of the time you have to talk in Bengali language. This is the one kind of barrier because you don't get anyone who can speak in English. That's why we are taking help from the apps. People talk apps is very helpful for practicing. You can find many guys who live in the abroad, not in Bangladesh, but also India, Pakistan, Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, and many other countries. People you can find there. This app, I sometimes speak by using this app. You can talk to anyone by using this app. Really, this app is helpful. I'm live in a village area. That's why I don't get a partner for practicing purpose. That's why I have to use this kind of app. I use many kind of app, but people talk is very popular to me. You can randomly find many people both male and female. They're very gentle. Sometimes rude people come. They behave like cruelty. They behave, their behavior is not fine, but most of the people who come this app are really gentle and they behave gently because they are learning something from the new culture, new custom, new district, and many other things they can learn from the new person. And sometimes I think I have to make a lot of videos in front of the public place, but time doesn't permit me. I am a little bit busy, I have to make video as well as edit this video. That's why time is limited, and I am a man of husband. I have 2 daughters, and that's why it is very impossible to get free time. But I am practicing a lot. I have to listen. I have to watch cinemas, movies, and so on. So I have a humble request. Don't forget to follow. If you follow, you will get notification whenever new videos available on my page. This is my humble request. Please follow my page and connect with me. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.